All right, fluent readers, we are going to talk about some words. These words on the board all have short vowels. They have short vowels. If you think about words and you think about word parts or syllables, these are all one-syllable words. Fun, bad, hot, set, hit, bread. When there's only one vowel and there's a consonant afterwards in a syllable, then it's going to be a short vowel. So fun, bad, hot, set, hit, bread. The EA in bread, sometimes the EA can still be a short vowel. All right, I'm going to have you read a few more. So when I point to the word, I want you to read it. Just kind of whisper read it. And then I'll go through the list when we're done. All right, going back up to the front. This one is fill, sit, rush, shut, stop, help, health, red, sand, cat, mad. I organize this list by vowel sound. So this is I like insect, like umbrella, like octopus, like elephant, like apple. All right, this is the next thing that you're going to do. You have a My Word Study book, and you're going to practice some of these words yourself. So you're going to flip open until you get to this page right here. This page has short vowel sounds. This word is snack, bench. And what you're going to do is you are going to underline. If you look at the top right here, it tells you what to do. Underline the short vowel spelling in each word. So you are just going to underline just that short vowel. Ooh, I don't like how that looked. You are just going to underline that short vowel. Bench, thick, plot, skunk. Once you're done underlining that short vowel, go through and just read this top half. This bottom half, these are two-syllable words. So you are going to see two short vowels. And they're both short because if you split this word in half, problem, you're going to notice that problem, they're both still going to be short vowels because it's followed by a consonant in both syllable parts. So you can go ahead and also underline the short vowels in each of these words and then practice reading this bottom section.